now, since there's security, I might have to put this away.
You don't know who makes it.
No, Schindler, see? Schindler. Okay.
Schindler, okay.
That takes forever to load. Okay. We're going up to 4. Door closed. Of course, door closed never works on Schindler. Okay, it doesn't close. It doesn't work. Okay, got emergency phone. Man, I love Schindler 338, but they have the Vandal resistant buttons. Very nice. Here we are. Ooh, it squeaks. Not the very best Schindler, but pretty good. Okay. Now this is restricted. So let's go back to 1. Oops, sorry. Okay. 1. Go close. And down to 1. Then we'll go back up to 2. Very nice elevator though. It's a nice cab. Good lighting. It's actually pretty surprising. I never knew they would have such good lighting. Oh, somebody's getting on, so I gotta put this down.
This is where we go. Okay.
Got that too.